Do you want to spin?
My name is Michael, and I have a problem. Not really going anywhere.
Where would you like it to go?
Where would I like it to go? I don't know, man.
Michael, tell me about your time in the war.
I'd rather not talk about that. I'll fucking murder you.
Oh my god!
I tried.
Michael, tell me about your struggle with alcohol addiction.
Addition? Every time I have another bottle, it adds up. Man. How was that?
That was really good.
Well, I'm really good.
You're fantastic. You gold star, buddy.
How good is he? He's the best. Did you see his ball sack?
Yes, we saw his ball sack.
It's the best ball sack. This guy right here has 58 keys. Can you see what's on the screen?
Yes.
Is that a problem?
It's whatever. It's a dude playing around on a ruler.
Okay.
Bam, 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 wow, boom.
Bam, bam, ba, 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 bam. Ba, bam,
He's so good with that fucking ruler.
So good. He no, I'm not gonna. All right, he rules. What if you did a kazoo cover of
the
like,
ruler cover?
Of like a Metal Gear Solid theme? Then it could be like a. You could call the theme like a Kazoo Hira Miller.
It's the worst fucking fun.
I'm Michael. I like mechanical keyboards.
Damn right you do.
I'm not really edgy, but I'm too desirable. I like fine art.